Again, welcome back to the Mike and Mark Workshop. My name is Vince, and I brought today to show you the Wiha 65-piece Ratchet driver set. Comes in a nice steel box with a clasp in the front. And with this very nice set, you're going to get a mini ratchet. You're going to get a driving handle, an extension for the driving handle, an adapter for the ratchet to drive the different bits. You're going to get a collection of slotted Phillips, Torx, hex, nut drivers in this set, very little set. These bits are constructed of Wiha's special chrome-vanadium-molybdenum. That's a mouthful. So the finish is nice, the hardness is nice, the set is really nice. All in a small case, 65-piece set. Going to show you the ratchet first. And there's a switch to change direction on this ratchet. Go that way. Go the opposite way. That is the really cute mini ratchet. Its adapter is here. They're all 1/4-inch shank. There's a magnet down inside this. It's going to help hold that in place. You can take any driver now at this point and put it in the barrel of the tool, and you can begin ratcheting. And it doesn't go in that direction. Go back and close off and go in the other direction. There's all of these different bits that you can use in this driver, little ratchet. So that's 2 pieces that work together. You've got the driver handle, which is a normal size Wiha size handle with a swivel cap. You can use this 2 different ways. You can take the bit you need and simply plug it into the end of this tool till the bottom's out, and you've got a short handle driver. Or you can add on the extension piece for those long reach areas you need to get into. Push that down in, securely holds it, and then take your particular bit, and now you've got a long reach tool. Very nicely made set in a small compact box. Great for the workbench, takes up little room, but packs a lot of punch.